Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're looking at a product by Febreze. You may know their other sprays. For example, they have the Air Effects. That is something I've used for a long time. The same thing with their Fabric Refresher, different bottle. But now, a new one that I found at Target the last time I shopped was, and now is, Febreze Clothing. That says Odor Eliminator. Alright, so that is cool, and the way its little spray mechanism is also cool. Now it says for use on jeans, outerwear, sweaters. And it's always, I don't know, I'm just kind of a sucker for sometimes they have like cool shaped bottles, because you know, you can always, this is like the original kind of like spray bottle, you know, you can get anything like this. Windex comes in something like this, but Febreze, they always put their little twist on it, the shape of the bottle, the spray head. But just to show you, this is what a basic spray is. It's literally just that. It's one spray, you use the trigger and you do that. Now, their Air Effects is a little bit different. So what you do is you hold the trigger and it's a continuous mist, as long as you hold it there. But finally, the one that you would use on something like a piece of clothing, or in this case we're going to use it on this hat, is a short burst of a mist with just one pull of the trigger. So watch this. So that's what it is. One little thing. I hit it and I let it go and it just kind of does a little and then that's it. And that's good because all you need to do is just one puff per shirt. It's a good way to kind of level it. Now, I don't know what kind of technology is inside here. You can kind of look in there, but it's just something cool that I like to see. So the difference between this and other things is it says quick dry mist, because sometimes in a pinch I've used the Fabric Refresher on clothing, and they have stuff that's like heavy duty. It's made for fabrics though, so you kind of spray and it I guess the spray itself is a little bit bigger. The molecules are little, you know, droplets are bigger, so it does make things wet if you do like a couple sprays. But this one, I did try this on this shirt here, and immediately I put this one back on. Smells good, and also not really wet. So it's good in a pinch if maybe you didn't get the chance to go to the laundry, or, you know, it's something, if it is something terribly smelly and sweat filled and all that, of course you're gonna need to wash it. But this, in a pinch, it's gonna kind of revitalize clothing. And it's, again, cool to see something like this. Now this inside here, you can see it is a clear liquid. This one, you can't really quite see. This is also a clear liquid, I believe here, but it's kind of fogged down here so you can see. And then this, I know this is clear because I've refilled these before, but you can't see it because it's kind of this blue, fresh looking bottle. But I did find this one at Target. It went for $4.99. I think it's cool. It is Febreze Clothing Odor Eliminator. This is the crisp, clean scent. That's the only scent that I saw. And it says, safe on most fabrics. Do not use on fabrics that may water spot, which is leather, suede, and silk. That's good to know. And let's see. Eliminate odors and refresh clothing in between washes. For best results, spray entire garment until damp. Spray more for additional scent. Oh, so you're supposed to overpower this. I don't like really making it too damp. I'm not going to use it that much, but of course you can use it the way that it's directed, and of course it'll help that a little bit more. But I like the idea. I'm going to give it a try. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. You can find me on Instagram at m8b9, and you can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. And please subscribe, like the video if you like it, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Focus. There we go.